Hi everyone, welcome to Delta 4 Studios. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to booth 611 at ASTRO in San Francisco. Please come and have a look at our products and discuss with me and Crystal Bull, our clinical application specialist covering the US and Canadian markets. Our CEO, our VP Global Service and our VP of Sales will also be present. You will have the opportunity to get demonstrations of all the new functions in our software and to get a good look at our products, Phantom Plus, together with Hexamotion, our unique motion management system. If you like to book a demo or a meeting during the exhibition, please contact us at anders.murman@scandidus.com. So, with those words, I wish you all the best, and we at Scandidus look forward to meeting you at ASTRO. See you soon in the city by the bay.